Let's download the Marshallese keyboard for Mac. Go to the first link after you Google it. Just the first one. Looks like this. Go down to the Mac link. There's a download button up here on the upper left. Download it. After you download it, go to the icon down there at the bottom of your screen. It looks like this. It's called the Finder. So the Finder has an option called View. Turn on the Show Path bar. That way you can see where you are among the folders in your computer. Go up to the highest folder, usually called Macintosh HD, as in hard drive. You're going to see a folder there called Library. In Library, you'll see another folder called Keyboard Layouts. Go ahead and open that up. It's probably not going to have anything in it, but keep it open and go back to your downloads to find that file that we've just downloaded. And all we do is click and drag it over into there. It's called Marshallese 19 bundle. Depending on your computer, it might need a password. But once you've got that in there, go to your system settings. Looks like some gears down there. And type in keyboard. In the middle of that screen, you'll see a button that says Edit. And then on that screen that comes up at the bottom, you can see two little buttons. One says plus, one says minus. Click on the plus button. That means you're going to add a keyboard here. We can search for Marshallese if it's not there already. And it should have a little flag by it. Help us recognize it. It's called Marshallese 19. Once we've added that, we're ready to go to the top of our screen on the right side. On the right side, we can see these icons. The one that has the letter A is telling you what keyboard you have. So if you click on that, you're able to switch between your old keyboard, probably something like US Standard or whatever, but your old keyboard and the new keyboard, which is the Marshallese 19, and it's got that little flag to help you remember. Now once you've turned it on, it's time to type. To type the symbols below the letters, usually a dot, just type a period and then the letter. Period, then the letter. It gives you that little dot under the letter. And as for the symbols above them, usually some kind of line, type the hyphen and then the letter. So dot letter, hyphen letter. Now what about the capitals? It's going to include the shift button, just like we normally do with capitals. So dot, shift, letter gives you the dot under the letter. Similarly, hyphen, shift, letter is going to give you the hyphen or the line, that line above that letter. So that's hyphen, shift, letter. That gives you the capital with the line above it. All right, so now you're ready to use your Apple Mac keyboard for Marshallese. Jaraman, ido amten ka jarabale.